A very good morning, children. Welcome to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Vijayalakshmi, your Maths teacher. Children, I hope all of you are fine and safe. So stay safe and stay healthy. Okay, we are back to our lessons. Today, I am going to teach you a new topic. This is a topic which we use in our daily life. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it is called measurement. What is measurement? Do you know what is measurement? Yes. Measurement is the measure to know the length, height, distance, temperature, time, weight, capacity and volume of things around us. So today we will learn the measurement of length. What is length? It is to see how long an object is, or to see how distant an object is, or to see how tall an object is. For example, the length of a chalk, the distance from my house to the school, then my height. So these are examples of measurement. Children, in smaller classes, we have learned the measurement of length using non-standard units like hand span, foot span and cubit. I hope you remember that. But as they are non-standard units, the measurement is not correct. So, we have standard units of measurement and I hope you remember what they are. So, centimeter, meter and kilometer are the standard units for measuring length, and centimeter is used to measure small lengths. Next, meter is used to measure long distances or long lengths, and kilometer is used to measure very long distances. Okay? Do you know what are the things we use for measuring length? Yes. We usually use a ruler, a measuring rod, a measuring tape for measuring the lengths of objects. Standard units of length are centimeter, meter and kilometer. When I measure this chalk piece, the unit I use is centimeter, which is a small unit. When I want to measure the length of a curtain, I use a much more longer unit which is called meter. I hope you remember when you go to a shop and buy clothes, you measure it in meter, isn't it? Okay. And if I want to know the length of the room or how tall the building is, then I use meter there. Suppose I want to find out the distance from my house to school, then the unit of kilometer is used there because it is a very longer distance. So, centimeter, meter and kilometer are the three main units for measuring length. Okay, children? So, let us see how we measure objects using these units. Okay? So, let us find out the units for measuring length for the following things. The length of a book. As the book is smaller, we use the unit centimeter to measure the length of the notebook. The length of a sari. Yes, a sari is very long, isn't it, children? So, here we use the unit meter for measuring the length of a sari. The height of a building. The height of a building is measured in meters. The length of a duster. We know a duster is very small, isn't it, children? So, we use the unit centimeter to measure the length of a duster. The distance from Thrissur to Ernakulam? Yes, it is measured in kilometers because it is a very longer distance. Length of a table. Yes, we use the unit meter to measure the length of a table. Okay, now tell me, which unit is used to measure the length of a blackboard? Yes, it is meter again. Height of an elephant? Yes, it is in meters. Children, now you know which units are to be used for measuring length. Okay? So today now we will learn how to convert the units. Like I want to convert centimeter into meter and meter into centimeter. So how will I do that? Okay? So let us learn how to do that. So we have 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Okay children? Today let us learn how to convert meter into centimeter and centimeter into meter. Okay? So children, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Suppose I want to know how much is 5 meter equal to. So, to convert meter into centimeter, we have to multiply with 100. So, let us multiply with 100 and you get 5 into 100 is equal to 500 centimeter. Or you can do one easy method, that is just place 2 zeros to the right. Okay? So, this is how we convert meter into centimeter. Now, let us go for another example. I want to convert 2 meter and 50 centimeter into centimeters. Already 50 is in centimeters. So I need to convert 2 meters into centimeters. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter is equal to 2 into 100 centimeter. That is 2 meter is equal to 2 into 100, which is equal to 200 centimeter. So 2 meter and 50 centimeter is equal to 200 centimeter plus 50 centimeter, which is equal to 250 centimeter. So this is how you convert meter and centimeter into centimeter. So children, let us do some more examples. Okay? Let us convert 13 meter into centimeter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 13 meter is equal to 13 into 100, which is equal to 1300 centimeter. Now let us convert 6 meter 75 centimeter into centimeter. First let us convert 6 meter into centimeter. We know that 6 meter is equal to 6 into 100, which is equal to 600 centimeter. So 6 meter 75 centimeter is equal to 600 centimeter plus 75 centimeter, which is equal to 675 centimeter. Now let us use a easy method to convert meter into centimeter. For example, you have 8 meter. Put 2 zeros to the right and you get the answer as 800 centimeter. So we have converted meter into centimeter. That was easy, no children? Now to convert 7 meter 45 centimeter into centimeter, what we have to do is to put the numbers together and write it as 745 centimeter. So we have done the conversion. Okay? You have learned how to convert meter into centimeter. So now let us see how to convert centimeter into meter. Okay? For example, I have 315 centimeter. I need to convert it into meter and centimeter. So I can write this as 300 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. Isn't it, children? Yes, I can split them up as 300 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. Now, you know that 300 centimeter is equal to 3 meters. Because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, 300 centimeter is equal to 3 meters. Isn't it? So, it is 3 meters and 15 centimeter. So, that's it, children. You have converted 315 centimeter into 3 meter and 15 centimeter. Let us do one more example. For example, 450 centimeter. This can be written as 400 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. is equal to 400 centimeter is equal to 4 meter. And the rest 50 centimeter can be written here. Okay? So the answer is 4 meter and 50 centimeter. So let us do some more examples, children. Let us convert 200 centimeter into meter. We know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 200 centimeter is equal to 2 meters. Okay. Now let us convert 350 centimeter into meter and centimeter. 350 centimeter can be written as 300 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. Isn't it, children? Also, we know that 300 centimeter is equal to 3 meters. So, 350 centimeter is equal to 3 meters and 50 centimeter. Okay? Now let us see an easy method for conversion. 580 centimeter can be converted into meter and centimeter in this way. The last two digits 8 and 0 forms the centimeter and the rest of the digit forms the meter. So we have 580 centimeter is equal to 5 meter and 80 centimeter. So in this way we can convert centimeter into meter and centimeter. So that's it for today, children. I hope you have understood the conversion of meter into centimeter and centimeter into meter. Practice more problems, children. Go through the YouTube video, write down the notes and also answer the questions that I have given in the classroom. Okay, see you again in the next class with another topic. Till then, goodbye. Stay safe and stay home.